What's up, leather crafters? Welcome back to Karlova design channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this cool phone cradle. Link to the pattern is in the video description. I am Marina Karlova and I'm a professional leathercraft pattern designer. To make this cradle we're gonna need a few types of leather. For the side, take something relatively stiff, about 2 millimeters or 5 ounces, could be more. For the top, it could be anything softer, maybe, maybe not, it doesn't really matter. I'm taking 1.5 millimeter vegetable tan soft leather. Then I'm using 1.2 millimeter chrome tan. It's very soft for the bottom, but the thickness is not as important here. Just make sure it's a relatively soft leather. For the bottom rim, around 1.5 millimeter, it's better to be stiff. Could be medium, but better stiff. The diameter of these holes is 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters. You can actually make them a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that your charger is able to get through. This pattern is designed for 5 SPI stitching irons, 5 stitches per inch, which is 5.2 in millimeters. These are craft tool irons from Tandy, and they are marked as 3 millimeters because they measure the gap between the teeth. Don't forget to pass all the marks on the leather. The back side of the cradle is a perfect space for your logo. We have the seam on the front, so there's plenty of space for branding on the back. Now let's stitch the top piece on, align the marked holes and just stitch it. Just stitch it, straightforward. Let's stitch the bottom rim to the bottom. It doesn't matter if you put it on the mark or not. Just stitch it all the way around, grain side to grain side. And now we are stitching the side of the bottom rim with a narrow seam allowance. And finally, let's stitch this whole thing onto our cradle. The central mark on the bottom should be aligned with the front seam. Now we're just gonna make the hole in the bottom rim right below the hole in the side piece, and that's it. Well, at least with the stitching part, because we still need to finish the edges. And thanks to my color choice, look how colorful a dust I am getting. It's almost Christmassy. I am wondering if I could use it somewhere in a household. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.